In this video, I'm going to show all the functionality of the app in updating the item list through text and updating it through speech to text, and then also displaying the items through text and displaying it through speech. So first, I'm just going to display a list, and as you can see, nothing has been bought. Everything is green. All of the quantities are 0. So let me just update some random items. And I'm going to update them so that you can see all the different colors to reflect the different item statuses. Okay, so as you can see, when I bought less than 50% of the buy limit, it shows up as pink. When I bought nothing, when I haven't bought it at all, it just shows up as regular green. And then when I bought more than 50% of the buy limit, it shows up as red. So now I'll do an update through speech. AGS, BGS, SGS. So as you can see at the bottom right here, it shows you all of the items that you've updated through speech to text. And also notice that the items that I've just updated through speech to text haven't been updated before. So at the top, you should see AGS and SGS haven't been bought before, and the same thing with BGS down in the list here. And so now when we do display again, it should accurately reflect what we updated through speech to text. So as you can see, I did our display, and now if we go at the top, you can see that AGS and SGS have been updated, and so have BGS when they weren't before. So speech to text works. Now, there's one problem, and that is that as you can see, the quantities are 0. And the reason being is that when you do speech to text, it's very hard for the speech analyzer to differentiate the number you said, which denotes the quantity, with the previous word, which denotes the name of the item. And so it becomes very hard to actually input a quantity because it's not seen as different than the word you just said. So that's why it shows up as quantity 0. That's the default I've set it to. So we can do the regular display as I've shown, but we can also get the computer to read out the items using speech. So we can do something like rread. And what rread does is that it reads out every single item that hasn't already been bought yet. So all of the items that you can still buy. So I won't let it read out the whole thing, but I'll let it read out like 5 or 6 for you to get the gist of it. It reads kind of slow, but you can make the settings different.
ART, ARB, AH, PB, PB2, AB, DHC, ACP, BT, BCP, AT, DB, RB, DW, PC, SSS,
Yep, that's all of the functionality.
EM.